What if every dream you're chasing, the car, the watch, the next upgrade, isn't freedom? It's control. See, we live in a system that rewards consumption and punishes contentment. You think you're upgrading, you think you're buying status, but most of the time you're just renting validation. And the more you buy, the more the system owns you. Since we were born, we're told to chase more comfort, more luxury, more success. But have you ever asked yourself, more of what? And for who? Every billboard, every influencer, every algorithm, it's engineered to sell you discontent. Because a satisfied man doesn't spend. The economy depends on you never feeling enough. That's the code of the matrix. Endless desire disguised as progress. So you're not lazy for wanting nice things. You've just been programmed to believe that worth, it's about real wealth. And wealth, it's about buying more things, buying nice things. Behind every new drop, every shiny launch, there's a factory that is burning through our planet to feed our dopamine. We think that we're advancing, but we're just consuming faster than we can replace. And nobody wants to talk about this, because the truth doesn't sell. We've built a world where everyone looks rich, and no one feels fulfilled. The happiness curve is flatlined decades ago. We've got the cars, the clothes, the new tech, but we lost purpose. We work jobs we hate, to buy things we don't need, to impress people we don't even like. That's not freedom. That's a prison with good lighting. And don't get me wrong, because I love the cool stuff as well. I've got watches I dreamed as a kid, the nice cars, but here's the difference. I own these things. They don't own me. These are just some of my early trophies. Because once you start buying to prove something, you've already lost control. And the system wants you to keep comparing, keep upgrading, get distracted with your phone, so you never have time to think with your own mind. Because the moment you stop chasing, you start seeing with your eyes. And that's when the illusion cracks. So how do we unplug from the matrix? Not by running to a cave, but by reprogramming your relationships with desire. Step 1 is about intentional ownership. Buy less, buy better, buy things that serve you. If it doesn't elevate you, it owns you. Step 2 is about real-life experiences. Trade dopamine purchases for memories. Being the master at something. The new luxuries is about being present. Step 3 is about mental detachment. Unfollow what sells your emptiness. Silence the noise that convinces you you're left behind. When you remove what's meaningless, what matters finally has space to grow. Focus, discipline, peace. That's the new flex. This isn't about anti-money or something. It's about anti-waste. Because real wealth isn't the car in your garage. It's the control in your calendar. It's waking up free, not owned by the stuff you own. So the future isn't about consuming less joy. It's about consuming rather with intention. Build assets, not addictions. Build systems that outlive trends. Because that's legacy, not lifestyle. You were born into a system that told you that happiness lives inside things. But the more you chase, the emptier it gets. Every purchase, every upgrade, every click, it's another step into the matrix. So the question is, do you keep feeding it? Or do you unplug from it and build your own? The strongest man isn't the one who owns the most. It's the one who's free from needing anything at all. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.